How to instruct technician to collect payment? There are three methods to instruct technician to collect payment. First one is from service schedule pop-up. Second one is from Paydio mobile app, and third one is via contract upload screen. In customer service list, select the service that you want to schedule with technician. Click on schedule service. Schedule the service with technician. Click on this description button. Here you can type the amount that technician have to collect from customer. Then click on OK. Click on save services. Then click on schedule button. This service is scheduled successfully. Another option available to instruct technician to collect payments in contract screen. Click on reference and general. Here you can see the description. Put the amount that technician have to collect from customer. Click on view services. Here you can see the description that I have added in contact. That description is copied here. When I click on OK and schedule this service, then technician can see this description, collect that payment from customer. Here another option available to instruct technician to collect payment. Click on this description button. Click on this collect payment button. If payment document is open for this contract, then that amount is reflected in description. You can see here the amount 5,000 is reflected here. Click on OK. Click on save service. After that click on schedule. I have scheduled the service with Atul. I have logged in with Atul's user ID and password. Here you can see in description. 1000 amount is reflected. That means technician knows that he have to collect the 1000 from customer. Description can be also used to give any special instruction to the technician in case required. This can be other than payment instruction also. Last method of instruct technician to collect payment is via contract upload screen. Here you can see at the right side upload button is present here. Click on this upload. Select the contract and download the template. See here contract upload format with customer details. Here you can see in description collect payment. Here also you can add the payment that technician have to collect from customer. These are methods to instruct the technician to collect the payment.